CSS backgrounds. So in order to learn that, we just now have an empty folder. I'm just going to create like index.html here. Or what can I do by the terminal? I just can write the touch index.html. So here we have the index.html, and I can create the some code for index.html, and I will also have a CSS file. So I'm just going to create it like touch default.css. I'm bad at spellings always. So default.css, so here it is, and need to link this. And how will we link this? Link colon CSS. So default default.css. So this is now linked. Okay. So this is now linked, and this is the basic HTML, and default is linked. So I'm just write my hello world page, save it, right click, open with live server. It's gonna open here, and we can close this channel tab, and yeah, my hello world page, which is awesome. Okay, so whatever I gonna change here, it will reflect here. So for the default.cs, I'm going to use the body first, like this body tag. For the body tag, I'm going to give couple of options. Like the first we are learning is background. Okay, so we can like background background color. Okay, so we can give it like yellow. So if we give like this, you can see reflecting. So let's suppose if we want to have an image, like background pattern image. So here are a couple of things. If I just copy this image URL, copy image address, going to close this. So instead of background color, we can use background. Here we can use background image. So in that we can pass a URL and paste it, save it, and it will reflect, as you can see. But the thing is, you must have seen that there is some issue. So it is actually going to repeat itself. So if I write like background repeat and no repeat, so it will just render once. So you can see that we can have both the things, like background image and the background color, and we can change the position of this image. Like we can have a background position, and to the x-axis we can have like center. Up to the y also we can have like center. So it is not at the center right at the moment. So like middle, will it work? Now it won't. So we need to check like 100 pixel. Yeah, it will work. 500 pixel or 300 pixel. Like this way we can manage it. Okay, and what if I give 50%, that will go up because there is no height assigned to this web page. Okay, so for now I'm just not giving any position for this. Okay, so this how. And we can give also the background size also. Background size. Okay, so we can have like 100 by 50. So like this way. So this small way. And if I can just multiply by 10, save it, so it will grow like this. And there is one inbuilt thing also, cover. So it will automatically crop itself by the resolution given. So this is the background size cover. So I've covered couple of things like image, color, repeat, size, and uh, now I've also covered that position also, and now we can have one more thing which is like which can be doable like this. If I basically have lot of some multiparas, and let's suppose multiparas, and let's suppose there are some dummy content and we need to add more just to have that. Okay, so we can just have more content like this, like so far. Okay, just save it and have a look. So it is scrolling the way I'm scrolling the, so it's scrolling the entire page. And if let's suppose if I give the background scroll or background attachment, so that will be scroll, let's suppose, so that will be same. And if I say like fixed, and now I do, so the only the content will get scrolled and your background will be static. So this way you can achieve couple of things in the background. So I hope you can try all these things, like you can try the background color, you can try the background image, you can try the background repeat, background size, background attachment, and couple more things. So again, one more thing, like I'm just copying this image URL. There is one more shorthand property, so we can just remove all this, and we can only write like background, and there are a sequence, like the first parameter will be the URL. So I can give the URL, save it, it will reflect. So I'm just removing the content for now, so it can be easily be watched that what are the changes. Save it. So there is only the background image. Okay, so first parameter is URL. Okay, and now I'm giving second parameter by giving this space, which is like yellow semicolon. Okay, save it. It is not reflecting, but it is. So you can check it like scrolling up, so you can see that there is a background color. But if you really need to check whether it's working or not, so you can use background no repeat. So here it is, the background color and the background image. So there are a couple of things, like you can use like repeat X only, so it will repeat on the X axis, and repeat Y, which will repeat on the Y axis only. So you can use according to your requirement, and for now this is no repeat. I think it is okay. Okay, save. This is, and I can give the position also, like from the top. We can from the x-axis I can align it to center. For the y-axis I can align it to bottom. So this currently not working because of the height, so we can give it into the like pixels for now. Okay, so it is there. And there are the attachment also that I have already covered, and that is all how you use the background. So I hope you can work on this now, and just comment out that what challenges you are facing in this, and what more you expect in this. So this is time for a bonus trick, and stay tuned. Thank you.